everyone. So today we're here in Lisbon, the busy capital of Portugal. We arrived here yesterday, just did a little bit of exploring yesterday, but today we're going to have like a full day tour of Lisbon. We have loads of different things planned. Not sure exactly what order we're going to be doing them in, but yeah, a lot of things planned. We just had a nice breakfast at this place, Pastelaria. I think it cost around like €9, so yeah, not a bad price. Even though I said we don't have the day fully planned, we are planning on going to a castle first though. And then after that we don't really know what we're going to be doing. And the castle, I think it's about 23 minutes away walking. So yeah, that's where we're heading right now. So we just went to the metro station and we got this thing called a Viva Viagem. It's like a day pass, and for 24 hours we're able to get on any transport. It costs €6.90 overall, but yeah, unlimited transport. So here you can get like buses, trams, the metro obviously, and even elevators that apparently yeah, you have to pay for. So yeah, I think that was a good idea because we're going to be getting a lot of transport. Here in Lisbon, it's basically like a city just built on hills, kind of like San Francisco in the US. So yeah, when you're walking, it's really tiring here. It's like constantly up and down. So we've arrived at the castle. It's called Castelo de São Jorge, St. George's Castle. It was €10 to enter, but Carol's actually a student since she's doing an online MBA course, so she got it for half the price. You got to be under 25 years old though, but yeah, it only cost €5. And here's supposed to be an amazing castle. There's supposed to be some really awesome views here. Well, I can already see right now that there's some good views. Got the big bridge there, also like San Francisco as well. I keep comparing it to that place. Kind of misty at the moment though, so yeah, you can't really see that clearly. It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's very huge.
Yeah, huge. You can see these towers here, there's people there, so I think we're gonna try and head up there. So we're at the top of one of the towers now here. This is the other side of the city basically. So yeah, you get a pretty good view up here. Very windy. So we decided to walk down a bit of a different way, yeah, just to see some other different things. So you probably noticed the houses here are all like tiled like this. So this is kind of like the iconic scenery of Lisbon and Portugal in general. You see a lot of tiled stuff. So over here they call it azulejo. That's how you say tile in yeah, in Portuguese. So you'll see loads of buildings. Some buildings are absolutely covered from like head to toe in it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And we might go to the Azulejo Museum later on, so yeah, that might be coming up. So we've now come to what's probably the most famous square here in Lisbon. It's called Praça do Comércio. So here we're just surrounded by these awesome looking yellow buildings. Got a huge arch there as well. And in the background you can see the castle that we were at. So we walked all the way down here from there. In the past, this square actually had the royal palace in like the 1700s. But then it was destroyed in the 1755 Great Lisbon earthquake, which was actually the third biggest earthquake ever recorded. That actually destroyed, I think, like 80–85% of all the buildings in Lisbon. Really huge earthquake, so after that they didn't build the palace, but now you have this, yeah, nice square. So we've entered the museum now. It was €5. You can see already just some amazing like ceramics here all over the place. This one looks pretty trippy actually. Carol, when we have a house we need to put ceramics like this. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? So we've come to a really cool room now, check this. All the walls everywhere, all tiled. Looks amazing. This kind of art in Portugal was basically brought from like the Hispanic Moorish art in Spain, which was implemented by like the Arabs there. So it's all like, yeah, like Islamic art basically. And I think in Portugal it's been here for like 5 centuries now, so yeah, that's why you see it everywhere. What do you think, Carol?
I love it, especially because it's not crowded. There's
Yeah.
only us here.
Yeah, there's only us in this room. Kind of feels like we're in a palace.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
like in Seville.
Yeah, in like Seville. So we just come to an old district of Lisbon called Alfama. I think it's the oldest district, but we're only here just to eat. So come to like a nice local spot here. And yeah, I got the grilled sardines as always. Carol got grilled sea bream. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I've been eating the whole time here, just fish non-stop. And as you can see, it still looks like we're in the museum, right?
Yeah.
The ceramic museum.
As leaves.
I also got a big cup of beer as well. Not sure how much that is. This dish here was €9 and Carol's was €9.50. So not too bad. So we've now come to a place called Belem. I think it was about like a 30-minute bus ride from where we were in Alfama. And we came here mainly for a tower, but there's some other cool buildings here, like the one you can see right behind me here, huge one. So that here is called Geronimo's Monastery. It's massive though, look, goes all the way down there. We got a pretty nice garden here as well, and gigantic fountain. So we finally made it to the tower. That is called the Belem Tower. So that tower was made in the 16th century and it was used as like a fortress. As you can see, it's not even joined to the mainland, there's just like a little bridge there, wooden bridge. It even has a beach here. So we're now back at the area that we're staying in, and here there's like an urban art gallery which is basically just graffiti art all over the walls. So there's even one of these trams with graffiti all over it, and you can get it, and yeah, I don't know where it takes you, up there somewhere. Alright, here they come. Got one coming down and the other one coming up over there. So I'm going to close the video out now. The place that we're staying is this big pink building here. Really good. It was like $27 per night for the both of us. We got like a special deal, that's why it was that cheap. It's usually more expensive. Super clean, spacious, really comfy beds, so what more can you ask for? I think the next videos are going to be from Brazil. Heading to Brazil in a few days, going to be there for a month, so yeah, should be videos coming up from there. So as always, just drop a like on the video to support me. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.